Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about solopreneurs, right? And because there's so many of us in the world today. I mean, it's one thing to say you're an entrepreneur and another thing to say you're a solopreneur, right? So what is a solopreneur in the first place? So a solopreneur is an entrepreneur who operates their business single-handedly without any employees, right? From anywhere in the world, right? They're nomads, a lot of them. They can work from anywhere in the world. They handle all aspects of their business from conceptualization to execution, and they are solely responsible for its success or failure. Here are 5 key things that successful solopreneurs excel at. The first is self-discipline and time management. Solopreneurs must effectively manage their time and stay disciplined to prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and maintain productivity. They often juggle multiple responsibilities simultaneously, requiring strong time management skills to ensure that each aspect of their business receives adequate attention. Do you have the self-discipline to be a solopreneur? Are you good at managing your time? These are very important questions to ask yourself before you embark on solopreneurship. The second thing that solopreneurs excel at is adaptability and flexibility. So, successful solopreneurs possess the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, market trends, and customer needs. Are you adaptable? Are you flexible? Do you have what it takes to be a solopreneur? Solopreneurs are flexible in their approach and they are willing to pivot their business model or strategies when necessary to stay relevant and competitive in their industry. Are you willing to pivot your business model or your strategies when necessary in order to stay relevant and competitive in your industry? Because if you're not, you're probably going to find solopreneurship very challenging. Number 3, solopreneurs are very resourceful and they're very good at problem solving. So solopreneurs must be resourceful in finding solutions to challenges that arise in their business journey, whether it's overcoming financial constraints, technical issues, or logistical hurdles. They rely on their problem-solving skills to navigate obstacles and keep their business running smoothly. So if you're not someone who likes to deal with problems and you don't find yourself to be particularly resourceful, solopreneurship could be a real challenge for you. So you have to be very honest with yourself. If you're someone who is not yet a solopreneur, but you're thinking about striking out on your own, you must absolutely be very good at problem solving and you must be resourceful. The fourth thing that solopreneurs are very good at is effective communication. So solopreneurs need strong communication skills to interact with clients, vendors, and other stakeholders. Clear and concise communication is essential for building relationships, negotiating deals, and providing excellent customer service. Whether it's through written correspondence, phone calls, or face-to-face meetings or Zoom, effective communication is key to success for solopreneurs. So that's something that you really have to consider and to weigh as you embark on your solopreneurship journey is how are your communication skills? And if they're not great, what are you willing to do to improve your communication skills so that you will be better at dealing with your clients, your vendors, and other stakeholders so that your solopreneurship can succeed? And finally, the fifth thing that solopreneurs are good at is continuous learning and growth and having a growth mindset. So successful solopreneurs have a thirst for knowledge and they're willing to continuously learn and improve. Okay. They stay updated on industry trends, they seek out new opportunities for skill development, and they actively seek feedback to refine their products or services. A growth mindset allows solopreneurs to adapt to changes, to embrace challenges, and strive for continuous growth and success in their ventures. So, what about you? Are you willing to continue learning and never, just never stop learning? Do you have a growth mindset? Are you willing to stay updated on industry trends and seek out new opportunities for skill development, right? Do you actively seek feedback to refine your products and your services, right? Do you have a growth mindset, right? Because that's really important to help you to adapt to changes and to embrace challenges and to solve problems and to strive for continuous growth and success, right? Without a growth mindset, you stagnate and you give up and you don't succeed in your goals as a solopreneur. And then you find yourself in big trouble when you don't have cash flow, you don't have prospects, and so on and so forth. So solopreneurship is definitely not for everybody. You have to really be cut out for it. It's even more challenging sometimes than being an entrepreneur, and because you're single-handedly responsible for just about everything in your business. You have no employees, you have nobody to to pin the blame on, frankly. And look, the thing is that for some people, this is the only way to go, is to be a solopreneur, because they just work better alone, right? They work better without having employees and other people that they have to be responsible for. They just like working in solitude. They get their laptop, they sit on a windowsill, they get things done. There's nobody to disagree with. There's no team meetings that go on forever with getting nothing accomplished. They're very single-minded, and they're very they have a lot of self-discipline. They're really good at managing their time, and they're just cut out to be solopreneurs, right? And then there are other people who not so much. I mean, they need a team, they need a partner, they need someone to help them with all aspects of the business, from the conceptualization of the business to the execution of the business. They need to have a team. There's no right way or wrong way to go into business. It's a question of knowing yourself, right? And being true to yourself and deciding what is the best way for you to approach your business objectives and your career goals and so on and so forth. But again, as a solopreneur, the key things you want to think about is having self-discipline and good time management. You want to be adaptable and flexible. You want to be, number 3, resourceful and be good at solving problems. You want to have good communication skills, because that's really, really important when you're dealing with clients and vendors and other stakeholders. Again, good communication means being clear and concise, okay? Because that's really essential for building relationships, for negotiating deals, for providing customer service, okay? And number 5 for solopreneurs is the need to keep learning, right? I mean, you can't stop learning. You've got to keep up with your industry. You've got to keep up with the trends. You have to seek out new opportunities for skill development and seek feedback from others in your industry to refine your products and services. So that's it for this one. It's been my pleasure to speak with you today. Sorry, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I have been very busy in other venues, dealing with other things, but I've always had this particular channel on my mind, and I was eager to get back to share videos with you. I'm not sure what my upload my upload schedule will be. I can't promise, oh, I'll upload tomorrow, I'll upload next week. It's a question of, when I can, I will, right? So that's all for this one. If you're not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would greatly and highly and deeply appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button right now. Help my channel to grow. Share my videos on other social media platforms among your network. And yeah, leave a comment, things like that. Take care. See you next time. Bye.